House looking barren? Tired of tacky tinsel? Why top your tree with a 5-pointed star when you can top your tree with a TV star? Try Entity Brand Holiday Ornament. Entity Brand Ornament will rotate and dance. Entity Brand Ornament can speak several poorly digitized phrases. Warning, Entity Brand Ornament may destroy other ornaments out of jealousy. Warning, do not antagonize Entity Brand Ornament. Warning, if Entity Brand Ornament escapes, call the authorities immediately. Papyrus's holiday party? Oh, yes! I was just offering to Miss Toriel a sample of my Entity Brand Super Adult Winter Eggnog when, out of the corner of my optical sockets, I spied a certain pink-haired hussy in the kitchen, uninvited, pouring Blookie a cup of ghost juice in the most unrefined manner, and generally making an incorporeal mess all over the floor. Oh, my stars! Look, darling, if you can't properly lift a teacup, delicately, with the tip of your high-heeled boots, then just turn 360 degrees and walk directly in front of you out the door. I'm sure you'll have a better time in the mind maze. Then, oh my, she had the absolute robotic goal to challenge me to a chainsaw duel. Please, darling, I would never engage in such barbaric activity if it's not being recorded. But still, she escalated the situation, pouring ghost juice into my smile sensors, and it wasn't even a flavor I liked. Not that I know anything about ghost flavors. The situation had gone flipsy-dipsy, darling, so we decided to settle things as responsible adults. With bombs and various bullets, you know. I ended up so dazzled by my own moves, I can hardly recall the details of the event. But I remember Alphys and Undyne peeling us off the floor, my head lying on Alphys's extremely weak knee. "Where is Napstablook?" I asked.
Stop pretending to die dramatically. They left.
They left? Why? I asked, dying dramatically.
They don't like fighting.
Mew Mew and I looked outside, our hands conspicuously close on the window pane. Blookie was out there, crying. Tears forming into beautiful ice crystals. I felt a strange feeling. 2 of them. One, a pang of regret, and 2, I bet it would be really popular if they could cry up ice for my ski resort. Alphys went back to the living room with Undyne, leaving Mew Mew and I alone in the kitchen. "Undyne, she sure is happy with Alphys, huh, Mew?" she said, forcing a smile. "Yes, and Alphys, she sure is happy with Undyne," I said with a dazzling grin. And so we stood there, in silence, drinking ghost juice that neither of us could taste.